Hello, this is Kara on Rump Raves. Today I'm going to show you how I spot stain treat my pads. This pad, I don't know if you can even see it. I'm really careful about my pads and I hate stains. So there's a tiny little stain right there. Hope that doesn't gross you out. It's just blood. Just a stain. Okay, so this is the stain treatment that I use. It's just a really cheap oxygen cleaner. Any oxygen cleaner will work. There's tons of other stain removal treatments as well that aren't oxygen cleaners. So it's partially chemical free. It doesn't have chlorine in it. I don't know exactly what is in it, but it's not all natural, so not as healthy, I guess, as I probably should. It's just like this. It has a scoop in it. If you can see that, it's just a white powder and it has, whoop, I just poured it all over my computer. It has blue crystals in it, and you have to activate the crystals with hot water. So I put it in hot water, and then I put it in this little spray bottle, so then I'm not actually putting hot water on my pads. I'm just activating the crystals and then I let it cool off in here. So this is just what I take with me when I travel, and when I take a pad off, I just spray it right on there when I haven't even rinsed it out, and it prevents stains. But it also is pretty good at taking stains out. So this is my soaking bucket. I will not pour this on my laptop. There's just water in there. There's already some pads in there. I'm trying not to dump it. They're face down, you can't see anything. They're not dirty. I washed them and I had a few small stains that didn't come out, so that's why they're in there. And I'm going to do a what I wore this month video after I've washed those, and this, because I wore this month as well. I cover my bucket with this. It's just a pillowcase. Just because it's breathable, it lets air into the water since I do soak them in water. So let's get to it. I also scrub them with a toothbrush. It's just an old toothbrush. I don't use it on my teeth afterwards, by the way. Alright, so here's the pad. Has a cap on it. Kind of shake it up. So I'm just going to spray it directly onto the stain. You can see that. Oh, kind of clogged. I haven't used it in a while. Oh, sorry, that's my phone. Alright, so I have some on there. You can see that. It makes the stain a little more visible. I'm just going to scrub at it a little bit with the toothbrush. This won't actually get the stain out. It just kind of works the stain remover down into the fabric. And I can see it, the stain is getting a little bit lighter. So that's good that it's already working. You have to be careful not to scrub too much because you don't want to make the fabric have the color removed out of it, or just wear away at the fabric either. Just gonna spray a little more on. Pull it up so you can see what I'm doing. Scrub at it a little more. The detergent I use in my washer is just the regular Tide detergent. I find that's the best for any kind of stain. Normally I can just throw my pads in there and they come out stain-free always. And I also put a tiny bit of Tide in my soaking bucket as well. Just a tiny bit of, just a layer of it in the bottom of the scoop that it comes with. And I just stir it up with this toothbrush before I throw a pad in, and then it soaks into the pad and gets rid of all the stains. I can actually show you a pad that's in here. It's been in there for a couple days with the stain treatment on it. And it is completely clean. See? Well, it's wet, so. But there's no stain at all. I can show you another one. Oh, I also put some distilled white vinegar in here as well, just to keep the fabric softer. No stain again, completely stain free, just from this stain treatment and the vinegar and Tide. And I just throw them in a normal wash, just the way I would wash my clothing. It's much lighter just from that, and I'm just going to throw it in the bucket, face down, and I'm going to push it down with the toothbrush because it has PUL in the middle, so I want it to soak down. There we go. That is how I stain treat my pads. This is the best method that I've found for me. I've never had a problem stain that wouldn't come out. The farthest I've had to go is this stain treatment that I just showed you. That's the most work I've had to go to with cleaning a pad. So that's it. Like my video if you like videos like this, so I'll know. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and comment down below if you have any suggestions. Bye!